Moving on with our project here on fairbinaryoptions.com, talking about Binary Options Academy. In the second part here, we're going to apply the principle of the impulsive move to a specific chart, and this chart is the Australian dollar and the US dollar 1 hour chart. As you can see, it is the recent move from the 86 area and up to this level here. And an impulsive move, from my point of view, goes for something like so. From this moment of time, from these lows here, the impulsive move most likely goes like being the following. Let me take a polyline. So to have a first wave from the downside here like this, wave 1, then a second wave corrected here, then a third wave to be done here, then of course you have a fourth wave here in the form of a contracting triangle, as you can see, and the fifth wave to the upside. Now, excellent. What did we say on the first part? In the first part is that the rule of an impulsive move calls for at least one wave to be extended, and the extension to be more than 161.8 when compared with the next longest wave. In our situation here, it means that this third wave here should be more than 161.8 when compared with this one. Definitely it is not. Also, the first move here is channeling too well, so it looks to be a corrective wave, and this bodes, let's say this doesn't go for that move as well, and therefore this should not be considered an impulsive move. You may think of something else as being part. Now, what we do know here in this move to the upside, what we do know is that this is a contracting triangle here, and usually after a strong advance, contracting triangles are part of the fourth wave. So this to be something like A, B, C, D, E, and price breaking higher, or A, B, C, D, E, and price breaking higher. This would be the most logical thing. The impulsive move I want to talk to you is this one that follows from this moment on. You have the first wave and the second wave here. Let me take a polyline actually. So goes from here to here. First wave here, the second wave comes here, then you have the third wave to the upside like this, then the fourth wave in the form of a flat with the C failure, A, B, C, the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave here. Let's actually change the color for the move so that we can identify it there and here. And this would be the first wave. This would be the second wave. This would be the third wave. Then of course our fourth wave, either this small one here and the fifth, or A, B, C, D, E, and this one to the upside as well. It doesn't really matter. The extension rule is still there. So the fourth wave to be done here, and the fifth wave to be done here. And the places to look to buy binary options, in our case the places to go and buy call options, are at the end of the second wave. Now this second wave in this particular case looks to be a bit difficult to find, but nevertheless in some cases on other impulsive moves those second waves are quite complex, and they take quite a lot of time, so there is plenty of room into going and buying call options. Then another place would be right in the middle of the third wave. So when you see that you're hunting an impulsive move and price explodes higher, right in the middle there is the appropriate place to go and buy call options again. And of course in the fourth wave, in this consolidation time of the fourth wave, we should go and take our last shot for buying the call options on that impulsive move. Now, if the impulsive move is going to be to the downside, no worries, you're just going buy put options instead. Impulsive move can be part of complex corrections as well. This might be part of a flat, for example, so for this to be a wave A to the upside, as it is corrective in nature, then a wave B to the downside, as it is corrective, and then the C wave to the upside. The C wave needs to be in a flat, the C wave needs to be a five-way structure. So it is just an impulsive move, part of a corrective wave, but the rules of the impulsive move, they should all be the same. Now this is how we should recognize an impulsive move. Take into account all the time the 161.8 extension, and the proper place to buy call options is the second and the fourth wave. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we've just concluded what is an impulsive wave, the basics of an impulsive wave, and how to trade binary options based on that. Thank you.